Hey guys, Taz here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today on this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this attachable pouch or zip attach pouch or on the go pocket, anything that you prefer to call it. So let's get started. Okay guys, so what we need to first begin is our zip, and our first part of the fabric is exactly the same size and double in the width of our zip. So when we fold it and we put the zip on top, it's going to be the exact same size. I'm just going to give it a good press for the fold part to stay in place. Okay, so now that I've pressed it, I'm going to turn the zip around. Make sure to put the right side on the zip onto the fabric, and we're going to sew 1/2 centimeter on the raw edge. Okay guys, so now I'm going to top stitch this area here in place, and as you guys can see, I have done a top stitch. So now for our second part, we want it to be the same size of the zip plus the fabric that we just created, doubled in size. Okay guys, so now what we're going to do is we're going to fold it and sandwich our zip in between. Make sure the folded is in the center, and we're going to close both ends and we're going to bring it through to the right side. Okay, and then we're going to top stitch these areas that I'm showing you in the video, and this area also, the two seams are open. We just want to attach them together, so once we are working with them, they don't really fall apart. Now I'm going to fold seams together to find the center of the zip, and also with the other side we want to be able to find four notches and the center to be able to attach the main part of the front and the back of our pocket. Okay, so now I have my front and my back piece. To create these, it's super easy. So once you are measuring and finding the notches, you want to measure notch to notch 4 times and then equal it, and it'll give you a square. So each line of our square is one distance between a notch and the second notch. So it's super easy. Between the ones for me were 10 centimeters. So I created 4 lines of 10 centimeters. So that's 40 centimeters in total, and created my squares. And now I am finding the center of our front and back pieces for me to create the notches, and then attach each notch to each other and then sew around the pocket. Okay, so now that I have sewn around, I'm going to turn it over and show you guys how it would look. I have only sewn one side, and then I'm going to give you a little tip on how to do the second one. So now, because we have a zip, we don't need to leave any opening parts while sewing, because we can open the zip inside out also and turn it around. So I'm just going to do the exact same that we did with the first, putting notches on notches and sewing around. Here I left a bit of the zip open so we can get in and open the zip, and we can easily turn the pocket to the right side. So now I have my final pocket, but I want to attach this to my original piece. That could be a shirt, trouser, or it could be a tote bag, or anything that you guys also prefer to attach it to. I am just going to press the outlines for the part that I'm going to top stitch and attach it to the bag. This makes it so much easier to do a little top stitch because you need a part to be flattened to go over and place it onto our final garment. This is our final pocket, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. With the measurements, you can do any size you prefer depending on your zip, because as you guys saw on the first part of the tutorial, we did the first fabric exactly the same size of our zip. So depending on that, you can have different sizes. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope to see you soon.